Good morning, students. Today, our chapter, we have done lesson 9, a poem. And today, we are doing a chapter, Father's Help, chapter 10 from your stepping stones. Father's Help. The story is by R.K. Narayan. And the story must be very interesting for you people because it is about your student life. It is about the excuses you make in front of your parents or teachers because you have to, sometimes you do have to save yourself from some situation. So excuses and excuses. Kabhi copy nahi hai to excuse and this. And same is the story that the children's psychology is same. Either it's today or it's so many years back. R.K. Narayan has, this story has been picked from R.K. Narayan's Malgudi Days. If you come, if you are faced with some opportunity, get an opportunity, you must go and read his stories in Malgudi Days. This story has also been taken from this collection, Malgudi Days. So it's also about, this is imaginary character, and Malgudi is also a place which he has made in his imagination, this place, and he has written all his stories against this background. So one Monday morning is really tough for everyone, whether it's teacher or whether it's a student, that nobody feels like going to work after celebrating a holiday. Now, when the story starts, this when Swami, the main character of the story, when he gets up on Monday morning, he feels that he was having a dream that it was Friday afternoon and the last period of his class. But no, 2 days has gone. And he has to go to school on Monday morning. Now he feels that he must invent some excuse or the other so that he could escape from this situation. So this is about the plot of the story. The characters are Swami, Swami's mother, Swami's father, and Mr. Samuel. इन लोगों का नाम पूरी स्टोरी में मेंशन है, ठीक है? और सेटिंग है उसकी Swami's home and the school, Albert Mission School, जिसमें शायद ये स्वामी जो है जिसने स्कूल में जाना होता है. It is Monday morning. Swami wakes up wanting to skip school, है ना? उसका एकदम से सडन है उसका प्लान यही होता है. When it is time to get up, he says he has a headache, and his mother tells him that he can take झटका to school. अब ये झटका वो जो छोटे वो जैसे कोई बुलक कार्ट या वो कार्ट आती है ना, गड्ढा वो टाइप है ना, नॉइजी से चलने वाली कोई वुडन कार्ट, कि वो उसमें जा सकता है. He declines, saying all the jostling in the झटका would add to his headache. कि इससे तो और headache हो जाएगा. तो on believing Swami's lie that he had no important lessons that day, so he invented another reason कि नहीं कोई लेसन ही नहीं है, कोई क्लास नहीं है, उस टीचर ने नहीं आना है, तो मैं क्यों ना छुट्टी मार लूं. She tells him to stay home. तो mother भी agrees कि ठीक है रुक जाओ. Swami lies down on the bench in his mother's room. Now what happens next? His father, अब fathers का तो उतना tender heart नहीं है. They calculate the things. His father sees him and asks him if there is no school, to which he replies that he has a headache. His father tells him to get ready and go, to which he says that he can't go to school as the violent Mr. Samuel. Now he calculates that if he goes to some extremes and says that the teacher is so harsh, he will beat him up, probably his father would sympathize with him and he will agree that yes, he shouldn't go to school. With the idea of getting his father to let him stay home, Samuel exaggerates. तो वो आगे बढ़ा चढ़ा के कि वो ऐसे करता है, वो ऐसे हिट करते हैं, ऐसे हार्शली उनके नकल्स पे मारते हैं, है ना, और उसको जब तक वो रेडनेस नहीं आ जाती तब तक नहीं छोड़ते हैं ना. एंड नरेट्स इंसिडेंट्स फ्रॉम हिज इमेजिनेशन. ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं होता है ना, वो इमेजिनेशन से बता देते हैं टू शो हाउ वायलेंट मिस्टर सैमुअल कैन बी. मतलब ही नेवर हैड दैट आइडिया कि उसकी जो ये कंकॉक्टेड जो वाइल्ड स्टोरी बन रही है कि वो इसका रिएक्शन उसके फादर पे क्या होगा. नाउ स्वामीज फादर एक पीक पे चले जाते हैं, एक एक्सट्रीम पे. व्हाट वाज दैट? स्वामीज फादर सेज दैट ही विल पुट एन एंड to Mr. Samuel's tyranny, that he is so cruel. How can he be? And he asks Swami to get ready for school. In the meantime, he writes a letter to the headmaster, seals it in an envelope, and asks Swami to hand it over to the headmaster and then go to his class. Now, much to Swami's discomfort, what to do? He realizes that it is a letter detailing the evil deeds, the harsh deeds of Mr. Samuel. He walks to school realizing that a monster he has made of the genial, now that he is so loving and affectionate sometimes, Mr. Samuel, and the trouble he is in, and now his voice of conscience, अंतरात्मा की आवाज आती है हम सब में, गुड और बैड हमारे अंदर ही सेल्फ्स हैं, है ना, तो वो उसको रोकती है कि मतलब व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू. क्योंकि अपनी एक मंडे की छुट्टी के लिए ही इज स्पॉइलिंग द होल पिक्चर ऑफ हिज टीचर. Swami decides to hold back the letter till evening and see how he can make a monster of Mr. Samuel before that. कि वो असल में वो कहता है कि if the teacher behaves like that only, he gets so rude, harsh and tyrannical that what happens, that he could justify that what the teacher is doing is genuine thing, you know what he has said. When Swami reaches class, Mr. Samuel is teaching arithmetic and is very kind. When Swami says that he is late because of a headache, when Swami says he has not done his homework, well, he picks up every opportunity to provoke him so that he hits him badly, he irritates him to an extreme, and so that whatever is written in the letter by his father is justified. Just to provoke Mr. Samuel, he puts it down his headache and doesn't scold him. But he doesn't do anything like that. Now Swami has only the last period. अब वो सोचता है कि अब कोई और नया टेक्निक अपनाया जाए. He tries provoking him by interrupting in a loud voice and not sitting. Down when told to. You know, the teacher asks him to sit down, but he never agrees with him. He doesn't obey him. He thinks if he disobeys him to an extreme, he'll get angry and he will scold him, he will hit him. He manages to get caned on his hand. वो सोचता है कि उसके एक बार केनिंग कर दे, जो उसने उसमें बोला था कि उसके हाथ पे खूब दबा के उसके डंडे मारे, उसको वहाँ रेडनेस तक ले जाए, है ना, ब्लड वहाँ से निकलने लगे. तो उसने ऐसा सोचा. मिस्टर सैमुअल एंड ट्राइफेंटली गोज टू द हेडमास्टर्स रूम, है ना. तो वो सोचता है कि ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ, उसने उसको हिट किया, है ना, ट्राइफेंटली, इतनी बड़ी विक्टोरियसली कि यस हिज प्लान्स आर सक्सेसफुल. तो वो चलो हेडमास्टर के रूम में जाता है. When school is over, so that he could hand over the letter which his father had given him. The peon tells him that the headmaster has taken the afternoon off and will return only after a week, and for the time being, Mr. Samuel will be officiating on that post. ठीक है, कि वो एक हफ्ता जो मिस्टर सैमुअल जिसके बारे में वो लेटर थी कि वही वो हेडमास्टर बनेंगे. Now Swami flees. Flee, F-L-E-E, flee, fled होता है ना वर्ड, कि वहां से भाग खड़ा हुआ. Swami flees the place, भाग लेता है वहां से, and informs his father that the letter that the headmaster is on leave and will return only after a week. Now the father comments on that he is a coward, and he deserves whatever beating is given to him by the teacher. He promises to hand over, although he promises that he'll hand over the letter, but his father calls him a coward and a liar, कि तुम झूठे भी हो और coward भी हो. A father जो है, he calculates well, वो foresee कर लेते हैं कि ये बच्चा ये करने जा रहा है, अब ये गड़बड़ बचाएगा कुछ. And the tears it up उसके father, he tears up the letter and throws, and this is what picture of Swami is drawn. It's with I think almost every student that he invents some excuses. Now, away from the lesson, I have a small story here about excuses. And वो कहते हैं ना झूठ के पैर नहीं होते, और कैसे एक 4 friends कैसे फंस जाते हैं इसमें जब वो एक झूठ बोलते हैं छोटे से बात के लिए. 4 friends were late to school, and when the teacher asked them why they were late, they replied that they were coming to school together in one car, and the car had a flat tire. So they had gotten late as it took time getting the tire changed. The teacher, wiser, with so many years of teaching and having heard the entire spectrum of excuses, told them that he would accept the reason provided each one of them could answer one question that he put forth to them. But for that, the students had to come one by one to that, not collectively they will answer. ना एक एक करके आएंगे और आंसर देंगे. अब now the thing is, अगर वो पूछता है कि लेफ्ट वाला था कि आगे वाला था कि पीछे वाला था, now they will be caught up in their own trap, है ना, तो झूठ पकड़ा जाएगा. अब क्योंकि सेम आंसर होगा नहीं, उन्होंने कहा टायर था, विच टायर, तो ये एक्सक्यूज जब हम बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें काफ़ी कैलकुलेटिव होना पड़ता है. सो बेटर, दिस इज द मॉरल से, दैट बेटर डोंट कंकॉक्ट stories in front of your parents or in front of your teachers. Okay, so I'll send you some segment based questions also, and back exercises you will definitely do, but go for original text also. I had done so in your Zoom classes. Let's do the questions in your homework. Okay, thank you.